Good day guys, this is your tutor engineer. Today we'll be doing geometry, focusing on areas. So let's start with today's lesson. Use pi on your calculator. All your answers must be in 2 decimal places. Determine the area of each of the following. So the area of the cycle, you must remember that it's pi r squared, where r is the radius. So for question A, our radius is 15 centimeters. So our area is going to be pi times 15 squared, which will be equal to pi times 15 squared will give us 706.85 squared centimeters. Now let's go to question B. Question B, here you are given a diameter. So to get the diameter, you need to divide it by 2. Sorry, to get the radius, you need to divide the diameter by 2, and then that will give us 6.5 centimeter radius. And then the equation of the cycle is A is equal to pi r squared. Pi is equal to the radius squared, and then when you put that on your calculator, you will get 132.73 squared centimeters. Okay, then let's go to question C. Question C is the same as question A. Same principle, you're given the radius. This is radius. So you can pause the video and see if you can work out question C by yourself. So area is equal to pi r squared. In this case, r is 13 millimeters squared, is equal to, the answer will be pi times 13 millimeters squared, which will give us 530.93 squared millimeters. Okay, here we have a diameter of 8.4. To get the radius, we'll divide by 2, which will give us 4.2 millimeter radius. So this is your radius. Area is equal to pi r squared. Pi is equal to, pi times 4.2 squared is equal to 555, in fact, 42 squared millimeters. Okay, let's go to question D. Now I believe that you are recognizing the pattern. Here is the radius, 23.7 millimeters. You'll plug it instead of r, then you get pi times 23.7 squared, which is 1764.60 squared millimeters as your answer. Now let's go to question E. Question E is a bit unique. You are given the radius of 20 millimeters, but now this is the semicircle. It's not a full cycle. So the semicircle has a revolution of 180 degrees, which means you can rewrite your formula for area as pi r squared. Then you take the half a revolution of 180, divide by full revolution 360. If you like, you can simplify this further by saying pi r squared 180 divided by 360 is 1/2. and then from here on you can just replace the radius of 20 squared, and then your area will be pi times 20 squared times 1/2, which will give us 628.32 squared millimeters. Okay, now let's do question F. Question F, you have a quarter of a cycle. This angle here is 90 degrees. You have a radius of 10 millimeters. So the equation for your area of a cycle is pi r squared. Since this is a quarter of a cycle, you'll take 90 divided by a full revolution of 360. You can further simplify your formula as 90 divided by 360 is actually 1/4. So here you'll replace r by 10. Then from here on you will calculate your area, which will give us 78.54 squared millimeters. And then finally, let's do question D. Question D, you are given the diameter of 10. That means you can work out the radius as 10 divided by 2, which is going to be 5 millimeters. Now this is 3/4 of a cycle. This angle should be 270 degrees. So the area of the formula of the cycle is pi times r squared. Since this is 3/4, you'll take 270 divided by 360. Area is going to be simplified as 270 divided by 360 is 3/4. So here pi times the radius of 5 millimeters multiplied by 3/4 will give us pi times 5 squared times 3 divided by 4, which is going to be 58.90 squared millimeters. Okay, so we've come to the end of our today's lesson. Stay tuned on the next lesson. If you liked the lesson, please subscribe and hit the like button. We'll meet again next time on the next lesson. Cheers.